Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making sure you're on an administrator account. This lets you change sign-in behavior. Disable Windows Hello PIN or fingerprint first so the system won't insist on alternate credentials. Then press Windows plus R, type NetPluis, and press Enter. The user account's dialog opens. This is where you control password prompts. Once done, select your user in the list. That selection is required to modify auto-login. Make sure the checkbox "Users must enter a username and password" is visible so you can uncheck it next. Now uncheck the box labeled "Users must enter a username and password," and then click Apply. That's the action that enables auto-login. A dialog will prompt you to enter the account password twice. This securely stores the credentials for automatic sign-in, so type them carefully and click OK. If you have a Microsoft account, use the full email and current password. Once you confirm, reboot to verify automatic login. The system should skip the password screen and sign straight into the chosen account. To remove the lock screen requirement, go to Settings Personalization Lock Screen and set a simple background. For Windows 10 Pro/Enterprise, use gpedit. MSC to disable the lock screen policy for a cleaner result. Also check Settings Account Sign-In options and set if you've been away. When should Windows require sign-in? To never. Restart to confirm behavior. Troubleshoot tip. If Windows still prompts for a password, verify Credential Manager doesn't have conflicting saved credentials, and that group policies aren't enforced by workplace management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.